Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable notifications for pinned messages on the Telegram app for PC. This feature is especially useful if you want to stay updated on important announcements or messages that have been pinned in your chats or groups. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your account and connected to the internet. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar. From the sidebar, find and select Settings. This section allows you to customize how Telegram behaves and notifies you about new activity. After entering Settings, look for the option called Notifications and Sounds, and click on it. Inside Notifications and Sounds, you'll see several categories that control different types of alerts for chats, groups, and channels. Scroll through until you find the option labeled Pinned Messages. This setting decides whether Telegram will notify you whenever someone pins a new message in chats or groups. To turn on notifications, simply toggle the Pinned Messages option to the On position. Once enabled, Telegram will alert you right away whenever a pinned message is added or updated, ensuring that you never miss important information again. You can also fine-tune other notification preferences while you're here, such as message previews or sound alerts, for a more personalized experience. When you've finished adjusting your settings, you can close the window.